Hi lovelies, Gloria Clinton here. Just in case you're seeing my video for the first time, hi, you're highly welcome. And in case you guys are returning, hi my loves, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I prepare my hair mask and how I applied it on my hair, because the results I've gotten since I started this mask journey is really amazing.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
So now that we are here, these are the list of the ingredients I'll be using for my mask. Put in a blender or anything you use in blending. Add all your ingredients together. I'm using a full avocado because my hair is full, and one thing you should know is the quantity of your ingredients depends on the size and thickness of your hair. So blend till you have a smooth consistency. You can see all these black things, chalky things. You want to avoid it. So this is me detangling my hair for easy penetration. You want to wet your hair or maybe damp, not too wet. And here comes our highlight of today's video, the avocado hair mask. What I'm doing here is I'm sectioning my hair in different parts, applying my hair marks on it, section by section, as if you're applying relaxer on your hair, so you won't miss any step or you won't skip any part. Just apply section by section so you won't skip any part. One of the benefits of this avocado hair mask is it helps to grow your hair and improve the texture of your hair. It also gives moisture to your hair, especially if you have dry hair or dry scalp, and along with other ingredients which help to strengthen your hair and give your hair a bit of protein. I'll be using this heat cap I got from a store. This helps to lock in moisture and is electrical. You can use the normal one that don't have electric. You just have to put it in your microwave and allow it to heat up a little before you put it on your hair. Using this disposable shower cap is not enough. You want to avoid those liquid dripping off your hair. That's why you need something like this that can tighten it very well. But if you cannot afford this, you can tie the hair in. Just make sure you tighten it very well. But this cap is best because it has an adjustable knob in which you can adjust or readjust, and it also helps to prevent those liquid dripping off your hair. Make sure you don't wash off immediately. Allow your hair marks to sit for minutes or hours, depending on how free or busy your day is, so you can get a good result. In case you have leftover of the marks, you can store them in the fridge, but don't leave it there for too long, else it will get spoiled. It's best you mix your ingredients according to how full or long your hair is, so you won't waste it. I hope this video was helpful. Hoping to see you in my next video. Please guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thanks for watching.